If you are getting Roku error 108, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Reboot Roku and the router or modem. You mostly get Roku error 108, which indicates a network connectivity error. When you get such an error on Roku, first reboot Roku and the router or modem. Keep them unplugged for some time. Then reconnect everything and turn them on. If you get the same error again, go to the next solution. Method 2. Check the internet connection. Roku error code 108 indicates a poor internet connection speed. Roku error 108 is a common issue that occurs when users experience poor download speeds while streaming content. So, first check the internet speed. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to a speed test website like speedtest.net. Run the test to determine your current internet speed. If the speed is slow, then contact your service provider. Method 3. Check for server issues. Go to the Roku support page at https://support.roku.com to check for any alerts or announcements about service issues. Also, ensure your Roku device is connected to the internet. If not, reconnect to your home network. Method 4. Perform a factory reset. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset on your Roku device. This will reset all settings and return your device to its initial state. This should clear any cached data or settings that may be causing the update issue. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 5. Remove other devices. Sometimes the devices around your Roku and router may jam the internet signal. So you can try taking these devices far away from your Roku device and router. Once you take them away, restart your Roku and check if the error is fixed. Also, check that your Roku system is closer to the wireless router and there is no obstacle between them. This should improve the signal strength. Method 6. Shift to a different connection. You can also shift to a different network connection and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also shift to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the other sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 7. Enable or disable network pings. Go to the home menu and using the remote, press the home button about 5 times. Now press the fast forward button, then the play button, then press the rewind. Next press the play button again and then press the fast forward button. The platform secret screen should appear now. Now scroll up to select the System Operations menu. Press OK. Scroll up and reach the Network menu. Select Disable Network Pings, then select OK. If the setting is already disabled, enable it and check. To exit the menu, press the Home button. Method 8. Use Ethernet connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can also connect using a mobile hotspot to check if the device connects successfully. Method 9. Disable Wi-Fi Direct. Some Roku remotes use Wi-Fi Direct to connect, which can cause interference with other devices. To disable the Wi-Fi Direct on a Roku and improve the network connectivity, open the Roku home screen. Select Settings. Select Advanced System Settings from the System sub-menu. Select Device Connect. Select Disable Device Connect. Method 10. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a more advanced problem. Contact Roku support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roku error code 108 and continue enjoying your streaming experience. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 108. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.